Hi, dear colleagues. Christensen highlights blended learning as a formal educational program in which learning takes place with some elements of self-control of students on time, place, route, and pace of learning, and partially realized by means of online. Modern pedagogical science considers a flipped classroom as a form of implementation of blended learning. So the flipped classroom is one of the models of blended learning which is used as the class lesson system. The flipped classroom is a form of implementation of blended learning, our first step to blended learning. Key Lyceum Universum participates in the regional experiment with the implementation of online learning. We convinced the Lyceum administration to participate in the implementation of blended learning. E-learning content for the flipped classroom was placed on the LMS Moodle platform. Students of Universum registered on the platform and have access to e-learning content. Now we see a fragment of the list of the content units. We have started work on a flipped model. For this purpose, we was chosen subject computer science for students in grade 11. We see the page specified training course on using formula in the Excel. The teacher gave the students a task for independent preparation for the lesson. Students studied the topic using educational content placed on the platform. We see a fragment of the e-learning content. This is a fragment of e-learning content too. We have already started. October 12, the first flipped lesson in computer science. Then we will see a piece of this lesson.
Прізвище, ім'я на російській мові. Закрийте, будь ласка, зошити, підручники. Зошити, підручники. І самостійно, перш за все, для...
А треба навіть
Все вже, Ліза, уважно. Ви повинна вести символ, з якого починається формула. Я вже одразу є документи, там міститься файлик із завданнями. Значить, завдання виконуємо на використання функцій для того, щоб закріпити в принципі використання основних математичних, статистичних та логічних функцій. Значить, там файлик вправа 12.2.1. Мої документи. Значить, ви починаєте поки що виконувати вправу 12.2.1 на використання саме математичних функцій.
How did this change the role of the teacher? Our vision is here. Two areas of training teachers. How did this change the role of the parents? Our vision is here. These are key messages for parents. How did this change the learning for the students? Our vision is here. active engagement must be involved with the whole arsenal of active involvement of students in independent acquisition of knowledge. What are the implications for future practice in this school? Our vision is here. There are our next steps. During the current semester, implement 5 flipped lessons on subject geography, physics, chemistry. Organize a winter school for administrators and teachers for their professional development, acquiring knowledge and skills from blended learning. Dear colleagues, thank you for attention.